Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. This is Master Alex. Welcome. Today I would like to make a short video and talk about if your front door is facing the back door or facing a big window or facing a balcony. Normally we'll think that, hey, this is not really good for your money luck because the money come and go, couldn't store in your house. So there's some feng shui impact, and we also have some solution for you how you can fix it. Okay, are you ready? Let's jump onto the computer and let's discuss more detail, okay? Okay, here is the situation. If we open the front door, so something like this, we've opened the door, and then we see the back door, something similar to that one, and then we can see the wheel at the end of the back door, which means the wheel, the outside view that you can see from your front door, and then see through your back door and see the wheel at the end, which means it's not really good because the money come and go, it cannot store in the house. It's the same meaning. If you open the front door, you can see the balcony door like this, so it means the front door and the balcony door is the same line. Or when you open the front door and then you can see a big window like this one, a floor window like this at the end, so it's in the same line, the money cannot store in the house. Previously, traditionally, we'll use some like room divider to block it, so you can see that. So you can see there's some light at the end. This is the front door, and then what they're going to do is they build a room divider in the middle, so can block the energy. The people need to come in and go to the left and go to the right and go into the house. This is a really traditional one. And here is like a modern style. You can build like a bookshelf, like a cabinet to stop it. That will help. Or people will use something like a simple room divider to block it, to change the energy flow. It will also help. Or even use like a round table. It can also help. Okay, here is the situation. This is a simple floor plan. So this is the front door, and then this is the back door. You see, it's in the same line. The idea is, in the traditional feng shui, we will use the water to represent the money luck, and we will use the mountain to represent the peoples, the population, the quality of the population. So water is related to the money, and there's some like a real water or virtual water. And here, this situation is the energy flow is actually a virtual water. You can imagine this is like a virtual water is running from the front door to the back door. So it go to the straight line. And anything is moving, we want it to move slowly or don't move. Let's say the water is moving, we want it to slow down, and then we want it to be like the water is in a lake, is a still, and then it's clean and clear, so it can store the money luck. And the mountain is represent the people, the population. The mountain is not moving, but we will expect it's like a moving like a dragon, so it's ups and down with different shape. So we will use the dragon to represent the mountain. So mountain is not moving, but we want it to move, so we use the dragon to represent just like the shape is moving. So in the same meaning, the water is moving, the virtual water is moving, we want to slow down. So the best idea to slow down is we need to use something to block it to slow down. Okay, what we can do is something like this. You see, we put some plants in the middle, so you change the energy flow. Before, the energy goes straight, the virtual water goes straight from the front door to the back door, goes straight. And right now, there's some C-shape form, so you can slow down the energy. And at the end of the front door, at the back door, we can also put a round table to block it. So it's further enhance the slow down the virtual energy, virtual like a water flow, can keep the money, can keep the good energy in the house. So this is a really practical solution. Maybe you can also do it in your house or in your office if you have some similar situation. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave the comment below. I will try all my best to answer you. Thanks for watching. I hope you good luck. Thank you.